Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions or the sign out grayed out and you're unable to sign out your Apple ID. So guys, if you're facing this message while signing out your Apple ID and you're unable to sign out your Apple ID because you get the message that sign out is not available due to restrictions, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you still sign out your Apple ID on your iPhone. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to close the window, and after this you have to open your settings again, and now you have to tap on your profile, and if you scroll it below here you can see this, the sign out is not available. So as all you have to do is that simply open your screen time, and from here scroll it below, tap on change screen time passcode and turn off screen time passcode on your device. So as enter the screen time passcode, and after this tap on cancel, again tap on cancel and close the window. So guys, after this open the settings again, tap on your profile and scroll it below, and now you can see the sign out is available and it is not grayed out. So guys, simply tap on this, enter your Apple ID password, and after this your Apple ID will be signed off. So guys, in this way you can easily fix this problem if you are facing this on your iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.